In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make all columns and rows the same size in Google Sheets. Achieving a consistent look in your spreadsheet can greatly enhance readability and aesthetics. So this is a useful skill to have up your sleeve, whether you're working on a project for school, a business report, or just organizing your personal data. Let's start with the columns. First, you'll need to select all the columns that you want to resize. You have a couple of options here. You can either use your mouse to click and drag across the top of the columns to highlight them all, or, for a more efficient method, you can select the first column, then hold down the Control key and the Shift key if you're on a PC, or the Command and Shift keys if you're using a Mac. While holding these keys, simply tap the right arrow key. This will select all the columns to the right of the one you initially clicked, making the process quick and easy. Once you've selected the columns, the next step is to right-click anywhere within this selection. A menu will pop up, and you'll want to look for the option that says Resize Columns. Clicking on this will prompt a dialog box that allows you to specify the pixel size you want for your columns. Here you can enter any number of pixels you prefer. It's important to remember that the number you choose will set the width for all selected columns. Once you've entered your desired pixel size, you just click OK, and that's it. You should now see all your selected columns updated to your specified size, creating a uniform appearance. But what if you want to do the same with your rows? No problem. The process is very similar, just oriented vertically. Begin by selecting all the rows you wish to resize. You can click and drag down using your mouse or, for a keyboard shortcut, select the first row, then hold Ctrl and Shift while tapping the down arrow key. This approach highlights all rows downwards from the one you've selected. Once you've got your rows selected, just like with columns, you right-click within the selected area. Look for the Resize Rows option in the menu that appears. Clicking on this will open up a spot where you can type in the pixel height you want for your rows. Again, choose a size that suits your needs and hit OK. By following these simple steps, you can ensure that your Google Sheets document looks clean and organized. This consistency not only makes your spreadsheet more visually appealing, but also easier to read and navigate. Thanks for tuning in and happy organizing.